Hello, my name is Vaishali Ajbale, and today's date is 18 March 2024, and today our topic is health benefits of smiling. So there are different health benefits of smiling. So we will discuss the health benefits of smiling one by one. So first benefit is the smiling helps you live longer. So we know that the smiling is directly associated with the directly associated with the with our body. So it can be affect on it can be the smile can be affect on our body parts. So we know that the smile also increase our lifespan. Then second is the smile reduce the stress. So smiling not only helps to prevent us from looking tired, but it can actually help to decrease our stress. Then third benefit is the smiling elevates the mood. We know that smiling make me feel happy, because if we smile, so we'll with the help of smile, we can show our mood. So it can be also it can also elevates our mood. Then fourth is the smiling is contagious. So how many times have you heard that the smile has the power has to light up the room? So research suggests that the smiles are actually contagious. Our brain is automatically notices our facial our expression. If our mood if your mood over down, so it can shows the sad expression. Then if our mood is good, so it can be it can directly shows the smile. Then fifth is the it can boost smile can be boost our immune system. So smiling can also boost our overall health by helping our immune system. If we smiling daily, so it can be affect on our body parts. So it can also boost our immune system. Then sixth is the smiling may lower blood pressure. So smiling can be affect on our blood pressure. Basically laughter especially. So if you have the blood pressure monitor in at home, so you can try this. Thank you.